All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Half of Japanese companies invested in China expect the economy to get worse this year, according to a new survey, and the vast majority do not plan to increase investment. About 50% of the 1,741 Japanese companies surveyed by the Japanese Chamber of Commerce and Industry in China said that they expected the economy to get worse this year, an increase from the 37% who said that at the end of last year. Another 34% said China's economy would perform this year the same as it did last year, with only 15% of firms expecting it to improve. China's economy grew faster than 5% in the first 3 months of the year, but that does not seem to have encouraged companies to step up investment. About 44% of the surveyed firms said they would cut outlays this year, and another 40% planned to keep them unchanged. Those numbers were broadly unchanged from the survey at the end of last year. The continued pessimism from Japanese firms bodes poorly for Beijing's efforts to attract foreign firms back after the COVID-19 pandemic. The flow of investment into China from the rest of the world fell 56% in the first quarter from a year earlier, according to official data released last week. The amount from Japan dropped 1.2% to the lowest level for the first quarter in comparable data back to 2014. Japan is the most important single source of investment for China, accounting for about 6% of the total stock of foreign direct investment into the nation in 2021. According to a report by academics including Bert Hoffman, previously the head of the World Bank's office in China, this was the third survey conducted, following the previous one at the end of last year, targeting approximately 8,000 Japanese companies in China and receiving 1,741 responses. Regarding sales trends, 56% of respondents reported decline or slight decline, a 9-point increase from the previous survey. Particularly, companies related to the automobile sector, facing intensified price competition in new energy vehicles, reported a significant increase from 30% to 72% in sales decline compared to the previous survey. For this year's forecast of the Chinese market, 50% of companies responded with deterioration or slight deterioration, an 11-point increase from the previous survey. On the other hand, the percentage of companies reporting plans to reduce investment or not invest this year decreased by 4 points to 44%. Showing a slight improvement. Tetsuro Homa, chairman of the Japan Chamber of Commerce and Industry in China, analyzed that many companies are taking preemptive measures to survive, emphasized that we will continue to urge the Chinese side to improve the business environment. The chart highlights the decline in Japanese investment flows into China over the past decade. Let's see some key observations. Trend overview. From 2014 to 2021, there were significant annual changes in direct investment assets, peaking in 2021. Post-2021, there has been a noticeable decline, with 2023 showing the lowest levels in comparable data. Recent developments. 2023 experienced the smallest investment flows, indicating a sharp drop. The trend seems to continue into 2024, with data through March showing minimal investment compared to previous years. Annual changes. The gray bars represent annual changes in investment, which have decreased substantially after 2021. The orange bars represent the change in direct investment assets through March of each year, showing consistently lower values for 2023 and 2024. Overall, the chart underscores a significant reduction in Japanese investments in China, reflecting broader economic concerns and potentially shifting investment strategies.